So PGYTECH has their CapLock system, which we've seen really cool to switch between different mounts. And so they realized that, not everyone uses action cameras. A lot of people use their phones. And so they have this Magsafe attachment that you can add on with action mount fingers on the bottom. It also does come with a quick release action mount. So what we can do now, it's really cool actually. So we can pop this thing on, and if you wanted to use your phone for like a POV shot like this, here's your phone. You can set it on with Magsafe and you can kind of hoist it up. You can angle it the way you want. And then you can get some really cool hands-free shots just like that. And then you can easily take that off because it's Magsafe. So it's so much quicker, more efficient. And with that quick release, again, you could just press the button down and then pull this thing out and then quickly just pop it onto one of their other mounts. And that's awesome. What a great thing. If you have a phone that doesn't have Magsafe or the case, they do include an adhesive ring that you can pop on there, which is also good. Like if you just have another device that you want to be able to hold up, like a light or something like that, you can actually put this on the back of that as well, and that will work. So really cool little attachment. I like it a lot. It makes it just way more versatile using the CapLock system from PGYTECH. So I highly recommend it, and thanks for watching.